Arkuz Smart Light Controller, Device Installation Guide. Arkuz Smart Light Controller, product contains one power supply module, which provides input power to the main smart light controller. It contains two pairs of wires. The red wires are input to the power supply module and need to be connected to 220 volt AC. The second set of wires are output to the power supply module. They provide power to the smart light controller. The main module is the Arkuz Smart Light Controller module. It contains the following set of wires. The first set of wires, on the top left of the Smart Light Controller module, provides power supply input to it. Topmost thick wire, on the right side of the controller module, is input for connection to one of the neutral or mains 220 volt AC. The set of black and other four colored wires, on the bottom left, provide input to the controller from the wall switches. The last set of four thick colored wires, on the right side of the controller, are outputs to it, and are to be connected to the different loads, light bulbs, fans and sockets. When we look at a typical wall switchboard panel, it consists of a socket, a bunch of switches, and possibly a fan speed regulator. This switchboard panel controls some loads, such as fans and light bulbs. The socket is connected to the neutral on one end, whereas the other end is connected to the mains of the 220 volt AC line. One of these two lines goes through a switch, using which the user operates the socket. Similarly, other loads are connected to neutral on one end and mains on the other, with one of these two lines going through a switch, using which the user operates the corresponding load. The fan may additionally be connected through a regulator to control its speed. The Arkuz Smart Light Controller can be installed in 5 simple steps. Note: the installation deals with high voltage AC current, hence take utmost caution while installing the Arkuz Smart Light Controller system. It is highly recommended that any electricity coming to the switchboard panel, where the Smart Light Controller is being installed, be switched off before starting the installation, and only be turned back on after the installation is complete. Step 1. Disconnect wires from both ends of the switches and fan regulator in the switchboard panel and to the connections to the various loads. Also note, the fan regulator is no longer required, as the fan speed will be controlled by the Arkuz Cruise mobile application. Step 2. Connect the pair of red wires of the Arkuz power supply module to the 220 volt AC line. Step 3. Connect the power supply module outputs to the Smart Light Controller module power inputs. Also connect the 220 volt neutral or mains line to the corresponding Arkuz Smart Light Controller module input. Step 4. Connect the wall switch inputs of the Arkuz Smart Light Controller to the switchboard panel switches. The black wire will connect to one end of all the switches. Each of the 4 colored wire will connect to the other end of the switch individually. Step 5. Connect the set of 4 thick colored wires to the corresponding loads. This completes the Arkuz Smart Light Controller installation. Now the electricity to the switchboard panel can be turned back on. The installation can be verified by operating the wall switches on the switchboard panel. They should work as before.